our guest of honor, Assistant Commandant Apurv Mishra, a proud MIT alumnus whose journey stands as a beacon of inspiration for every student out here.
After graduating from us in 2016, he is now representing us in Sahasra Seema Bal since 2021. After graduation, qualified in GATE examination, got admission to PG with scholarship, qualified UPSC with All India rank of 23, and now representing country in SSB. Welcome you, Assistant Commandant, our proud alumni, Anuj Mishra, Apurv Mishra. I'm not mistaken if I called him Anuj, because Anuj is also here. He is also our alumnus. And he said that if you have a basketball ring in MIT, it is I who represented MIT in basketball for the first time. It is our effort. Because of that, you have a boxing ring. Yeah. Anuj, welcome to you too.
Incredible champions of MIT.
And now I invite you all to turn your attention to your right, where we begin the toss relay. Starting it off is Diya Prashant, the Sports Secretary of MIT and the conveyor of Rebels Cup 25. Let's give her a huge round of applause. She is a state-level basketball player who has previously been part of the basketball team for 2 years and has also represented Mahe in South Shore Inter-University Women's Cricket Tournament.
Handing the torch over to the powerhouse of resistance and determination.
Regime and leads by example.
Parth will now hand over the toss to the dignitaries on the dais for the dignitaries to raise the flame high. He is serving the nation as Assistant Commandant. He is a trained elite commando graduating in March 2023 from the Counter-Insurgency and Jungle Warfare School. He has cleared GATE examination, which led to receiving a scholarship for his Masters in Information Security. He has cleared UPSC examination with All India rank of 23, with the second rank in the Cyber Commando course at the National Police Academy, Hyderabad 2024, National Silver Medal in Karate, State Silver Medal in Boxing. He has demonstrated that with determination one can excel in multiple domains. He now leads the 7th Battalion SSP Jammu as Company Commander. In his role, he leads the team in operations like cordon and search, area domination patrol, disaster response and relief operations, convoy protection. He has also commanded the SSP contingent on various occasions, including the Republic Day 2025 parade in Jammu and Kashmir. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for our distinguished guest of honor, a proud MIT alumnus and a super senior whose journey from these very grounds to serving the nation is truly inspiring. Please join me in welcoming Assistant Commandant Apurv Mishra to share his thoughts with us.
Mighty, mighty. Some people, I think, haven't had lunch. Let's try it again. Mighty, mighty. Mighty, mighty. Mighty, mighty. That's like it. That's how I went after my bachelor's course over here. And I can feel the same energy over here again. What would you like to hear from? You would like to hear from Assistant Commandant Apurv Mishra or the MIT and Apurv who left this campus in 2016? MIT. Okay, yes, that would be better. I can then take a bit of relaxation because I was thinking if I have to motivate you in that way, I would go in that mode in which I address my Jawans. But okay, thank you for giving me that liberty. all the dignitaries sitting over here, Commander Dr. Anil Rana, Paul Durai ma'am, Dr. Kaviraj, Dr. Raviraj, sorry, and all the other dignitaries, all my dear friends and my dear juniors. Very, very honored, very, very happy and very nostalgic to be back here in this ground. 9 years has passed since I left this college as a student. After that, my younger brother, who was here till 2019, so due to him I used to come, enjoy the vibe over here. As I begin to speak in front of you, my Jawans are waiting over there in sub-zero temperatures. They have been messaging me, sir, today aaj India ka match hai. And yes, I can see the faces over here, sir. Let's finish this off and watch the match, the final of the Champions Trophy. So yes, as you can see, the people who are here with me, I'm missing my Jawans over there. And when I'm there, the biggest thing which I miss is my college. My vibe over here, the college vibe which I get. And the unifier which you see, even there and here, people are more interested in one common element, that is sports. So as I begin with, sports is one of the most important things even in the forces. When I went there, I think you might have seen the movie Sam Bahadur. Yes? There's one scene in which he goes to the new battalion and he is treated as a newbie. Then he has to prove himself on the ground. So I guess many of us have been through that, who have joined the forces, and that's the best unifier also. Sports distinguishes you on the field, how you command your unit, how you lead your team, how much confident your Jawans are on your leadership. That can be decided just by how your actions are visible on the field. So similar instances happen, and I tell you, when we are there in sub-zero temperatures, snow-covered posts, sports is something which still keeps us going. We play volleyball, we play cricket whenever we are off the operation duty. So we gear up, and in that training module, one of the important part is sports. So that's why I felt many a times before also Dr. Krishna Prakash tried, and we were trying to get a date. Fortunately, I ended up being here, and I feel really privileged, as I said. I won't take much time of yours, just 3 advices or piece of, you can say, request or command as you can take. See, you all are the future of our nation. As we guard the borders, we know that our generation, our next generation which is coming, has much more in store as compared to what we did on the ground. And we see you guys, the young faces, full of energy, serving our country in coming years. So we want a few things from you which we expect. First of all, as students, as the different club members, whichever you are, ensure that you have a healthy routine, eat healthy. You are what you eat. So whatever you are having today will be showing your shape tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So if you know what you are having, how much nutrients you are taking on a daily basis, then you have your future ensured by your own decisions. So ensure that whatever you are eating is healthy and is good for you to lead a long and happy as well as active life.
Spectator here. We're all ears and we look forward to your...
Same thing applies on the brain. Whatever you let your brain consume, the same thing it will inculcate in your whole thought system. So read biographies of any of your 2 heroes. Fortunately, we have many on the stage also. Anywhere, be it Sachin Tendulkar or anyone whom you like, just read their biographies. I used to prefer APJ Abdul Kalam, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and during my UPSC days, I used to read his biography. Not because reading or knowing him is something